Okay guys, today we are going to show you how to download Windows 10 and install it in your computer or laptop. So first of all, we need to download Windows 10 image file. So you need to go to Microsoft site and you can download from the image file from there. So it's easily you can search in Google Windows Media Creation Tool, Windows 10 Media Creation Tool, and you will get the link from here like this. Download Windows 10 this image ISO file. Okay. So from there you can download the tool here, Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. After that you can open it. Getting a few things ready. Okay, so till that if you are going to make a bootable USB device, you will need the software called Rufus. So let's download Rufus. So from this you can make your or create your bootable USB drive very easily. So you need to download this is the site rufus.ie. You can easily download from here. You have the portable one and the exe one. I'll download the portable. I already have downloaded. Yeah, it's there. So now we are going to do is now to create media which is okay. Use the recommend option for this PC. Okay, just untick it and then you can select the language here in the edition Windows 10 and the architecture 64-bit or 32 or both. Then you can next USB flash drive. It needs to be at least 8 GB. Okay, now this here if you are going through this step, it will download the image file and it will create the bootable USB drive. Okay, now we are not going to do that. We are going to download the image and save the Windows image. After that, then we are going to boot it to the pen drive via Rufus. So for that you need to select ISO file here. Then next, then it will ask you to save the Windows disk image, and then you can save the image. It will be around 4 to 5 GB actually. Let's see, I have already downloaded it actually. Yeah, this is the image file. It will be around 4 to 7, 4.7 GB, 4 to 5 GB around, and you need to download this image file, save it in your location, your preferred location in your hard disk, and then after that I'm going to close this. If you next this one, it will download the image file and save in the local hard disk, and then after that you need to open Rufus. So here now I have plugged a Kingston 16 GB USB drive, and then you need to select the image file which you downloaded earlier. So we are going to software, right, save it, soft, and here we have the image that I downloaded earlier. Okay, actually this is the latest one. 20H2 is their Windows their latest release actually. Okay, So now I'm going to open this image file here, right? Okay, then just keep these settings as it is. Here you can select the partition scheme. Normally nowadays we are actually selecting the partition scheme as a GPT because our laptops and other desktop computers BIOS systems comes with the UEFI enabled BIOS. So therefore we need to select the GPT partition scheme, and target system will be the UEFI non-CSM. Okay, and keep the settings as it is, and then just press start button, and it will ask you to format your or here it says yeah, format the pen drive. All data on the device is and then okay, and now you can see the Windows 10 images booting into your pen drive. So that is it. After this is completed, you can plug the pen drive to your laptop or desktop, and you need to go to BIOS options, boot menu in your laptop or the desktop computer. Then you need to select the USB device as your bootable device. Then from there you can easily install Windows 10. Okay guys, right, thank you for watching our video. If you enjoy and if you like our video, please like and share it among your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Phoenix LK. Thank you guys.